Hello, 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 hello. Welcome on in. I forgot that we stopped almost exactly on a minute marker last time. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I actually only work one day this week, so there will be bonus streams this week. Yay! I did do some grinding over the weekend, or over the week, to get my equipment up to spec. I haven't equipped new cards yet, though. Or have I? I don't remember. Let's double check that. I didn't get the timer started before I forget. I did unlock the ability to equip any. Three conversations happened. So I could do the grinding. She was just talking about new clothing. The blacksmith, I don't remember what he said. It was something about. It wasn't important. Oh yeah, they found a castle out in. They found a castle, so I guess that's the next area we're gonna explore. And the clothing lady said I can equip any outfits now, no matter what my class is. So. Yeah, I'm at max cost right now. I don't know how to increase the cost. Maybe the next upgrade will let me. Who knows? Ah, you're back. I have good news for you, kid. We found a ruined castle beyond the pinnacle. From what I've heard, it's not something that was built to giant scale. It's actually a place made by some other society entirely. Maybe an investigation of the place will tell us a little more about why the Lemixes don't like us going deeper into the Sundered Nothing in Mount Nipbjorg told us anything, so there's not much else we can do besides stay sharp and be ready to go. So let's deal with the problems that are right in front of our noses first, eh? Head out to the ruins and see what you can find. It's discovered that Car's effect is more powerful than when it touches the skin, yes, but that led me to one very extreme theory. Would Car's effect be even more powerful when placed inside a person? Some less moralistic scientists are researching that. Experiments seem to go at first, but the longer a person kept a card inside them, the less sane that person became. And they went completely crazy, turning into berserkers who attacked anything and everything they could reach. Berserker rage is like Dane's life mode. In abnormal state, any regular human just cannot maintain for very long and stay sane. Regular cards are like potions and weapons. No matter how powerful they are, they're tools to be used and then put away. Oh, there I go again, prattling away. Honestly, I could go on forever about cards. Alright. Anybody else to talk to while I remember? While I'm still out and about? Nope. Okay. Let's go on a quest. Yeah, I did not do any of the quests in this chapter. What was that? What level was that actually quest again? Yeah, level 6. That's what I thought. We don't wait till we beat level 5 to do that extra quest. Looks like we're heading to the new location already. Alright. You know what that means? Time to switch to full screen mode. The ruins of Lost Time. Last time on Dragon Ball Z. I don't know, I'm not funny. If I was funny, I'd probably have more people watching, but who cares? New bird's unlocked. Wrong button. Nothing else over here before I move on? Nope. Okay. So yeah, I did a couple made-to-order reports until I finished out the first set, and I upgraded my outfit until I ran out of stuff. Until I got to a point where I can't upgrade anymore because I require stuff from a monster I haven't bought yet. Did I just hit you into an exploding barrel? It was so awesome. Can I break that? Nope. Okay, it's just decoration. Anyway, I honestly am really enjoying the soundtrack to this. While I was waiting to start stream, I literally was just whistling the lobby thing. Can't hide that barrel from me. Safe room, I guess? Okay, or maybe only safe this time. Who knows? Darn. I had to take the staircase down. Oh, they're both right there. I should learn some sort of Nordic language. I studied Finnish for a bit, but that's not enough for me to understand what's going on here. Language-wise, because honestly, Norse names, they're either ones we all know how to pronounce or... Anyway. I wonder if there's a good resource for learning Norse. This is how Monster Hunter should do it for a late game gathering quest, because he kind of stopped doing gathering quests about halfway through Monster Hunter, which is kind of terrible in my opinion, because it de-incentivizes learning late game items to help you know what you need to be able to get all the upgrades. This is how they should do it. For certain ones, just have you killing certain monsters and gathering specific items from them. I don't know. Just a thought. This game is fun. I like this game. I know people are probably used to hearing me complain from Final Fantasy Explorers or people that before I started uploading VODs to YouTube, the people that might have been here for Lore of Arcana or Monster Hunter 1. But honestly, this game's fun. Not only one. Excuse me, sorry. More prismatic dust. I was pushing the wrong button trying to switch these. Sorry. Ah, you're back. How those rooms look. Let's have your report. Huh. From what you're describing, it sounds like the accounting is on spot again. Those ruins are most likely built by humans. According to our Lady Knight's sources, those ruins are from a little kingdom that existed long before Ragnarok happened. Followers of the Vanir gods, they were pretty good at magic. That's probably why the castle is still in great shape after all this time. Broker's real interested in the place. I bet there's a lot of stuff we could probably find in there. Let's go take a deeper look. Eep! Goodness, don't sneak up on me like that. Sorry, seems I was entirely lost in thought for a moment. So how are the ruins? I have taken what we discovered and compared it with the Royal Academy's ancient records. The castle is named Glastein. It was a small city-state built in an age that preceded Ragnarok. There were many such kingdoms at the time. Each leader believed he had the right to rule all, so he flew the High King's banner. Glastein was no different. Its people were followers of the Vanir religion. They were supposedly advancing the arts of magic. It was considered an unassailable fortress. The walls were fortified with magic and had a pure river directly under the castle.
Welcome.
Boy. No new records. I just don't have the money. Anyway. That's what I get for spending on cards.
Yo.
Oh, now I can get rid of these. Sweet. I don't know what changed that. Let me get rid of the excess starter items, but I will not complain.
Hello.
Welcome to the quest counter. Here are the quests currently available to you. I don't know why I read that out loud, because there's no point in reading the one that's always there. Let's go kill some leshies. I don't know which ones are the leshies. We'll find out. The power of science. These things are so boring, I swear. Anyway. Hey, if you can't laugh at your own jokes, what can you laugh at? I saw that coming a mile away. like how the one that's left was the only one that avoided fighting me. Nice locked area. So those are the lushies. Got it. Oh, I saw some interesting news. Well, not news really, but three of my 3 games I really enjoyed on PS2 are now available on PS4 and PS5. Those are Time Stories 1, 2, and 30. So I might eventually do a playthrough of those. There he is. I might not do it on stream, who knows? All I know is I won't play them again. They're fun games. Well, 2 and 3 are. 1 is kind of generic, honestly. It's not like super generic. It does have a personality of its own, but the personality doesn't really shine through until the second one, so. Thank you. I'd get up, please, game. I don't know how you kept missing me while I was just sitting there, but okay. Nothing. Barrel. Blink. Eee. That's a big boom. I didn't see anything different on that vase, so I ran right into it and scared the daylights out of myself. I saw you hiding back here. So I guess it's gonna be the ones where they won't be turning around after this. Considering the next area is completely blocked. Not just a red circle, but a full on red X. Maybe. That's your last one. I don't know how many I've killed so far. I could look, but... Okay, yeah, yours is the last one. Got it. Ugh. Good old stretch. The void.
Hello.
Right. Time to go kill another orc king. Is it gonna be one of the ones where it has to go through the whole stage, or is it gonna be one of the ones where it starts swinging right there? It starts swinging right there. Okay. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum. Yeah, I'll deal with you in a second. I'm taking care of your little buddies here first. Ow. Oh, that's my fault. I fully admit that that was my fault. Doesn't help that half my swings with the Dawn's Life miss, so... Or power, whatever it is. Okay, don't let me heal.
That all you got?
Wrong button. Okay, move. Game. Okay, I clearly still got hit by that. I will not complain about the going up. Just give me dodge iframes. Got him. Hey, the squad scouts I sent to the ruins report back. Seems there's a hidden tunnel inside there. But next to go there, kids, see if we can't get through there and explore some the interior or some. We still don't know what that is made that enormous crevice in there though. That concerns me. You know those old fairy tales, right? About how there's always some huge scary monster living inside old abandoned castles? Not that I'm trying to scare you or anything, just make sure you keep your eyes open in there, alright? Yo, Albert, it's great timing. I was just looking for you. Seems Broker's got something he wants to talk to you about again. When you get a second, head over to the blacksmith's. He was smiling real creepy like, saying something about how it's timing, and so I wouldn't keep him waiting long if I were you. What do you want, broker? You know how? Do you have any idea what you found? Those aren't just any bits of mill scrap. They're rune ingots. Hold of metal engraved with those runes the moment they're forged. I've been looking for these my whole life. Weapons made with rune ingots are powerful. They won't ever rust and can even have magic powers. If I need to say more, go get me more of them. Lots more, as many as you can carry. But don't be a fool about it, understand? Be sure you get good and ready before you head out. Leave all your weapon needs to money. Oh, I guess I do sell those. I moved them down to the bottom.
Hello.
And go kill Rice Valgar again. I'm absolutely shocked that you have minis with you this time. Shocked, I say. Anyway. No more minions. Will you stop with that attack? There, Jesus. Die already. Smack. Smack, smack, smack. Alright. I've used Dawn's life 100 times, or Dane's life. Dane's life? Dawn's leaf? Dane's leaf. There we go. Dane's leaf. I don't know. I give up. 100 times, though. Alright. Yay! Ba, ba, da, ba.
Hello.
Let's go kill Fafnir. Okay, not through my tile is gonna start me in. You're a variant of the poison lizard I killed like 20 times. Oh, I thought the movie was over before. Sorry about that. No, seriously. After that first fight, the first lizard guy turned out to be really easy. twitchiness is what bothers me, the way you twitch around. Almost there. I was not expecting that. Why is that only 600? Oh, right, because when I upgrade my thing, I got rid of the level 1 it had on there. Ow. Okay, you're really starting to annoy me. It wasn't letting me block for some reason. Alright. Much better. Oh, I remember I should double check that. Okay. Seeing how long till whenever the item I need for upgrading my outfit is, it's not for a bit yet. Anybody want to talk?
Hello.
Oh, great timing. Broker just told me that he wants you to stop by the blacksmith as soon as you got back from your quest. Okay. Whoa. They're gone. Anyway. Everybody hang out with Broker? No, they're not over here. Well, did you find any? Come on, don't keep an old man waiting. Show me. Oh. There ain't no doubt about it. There's definitely ruining it. I can feel the power seeping off of them. I Thor, my blood's racing at the thought for using these beauties. I'm gonna make some nice new weapons right now. You stay put. Clang. Clang. Clong. I like the idea that he's making the noises himself. Whew, now there was some real satisfying work. I'm about to crack my anvil. I was hammering so hard. Here, you can have this prototype as thanks for getting me all the materials. I'll put it in your closet, so go have a look. You got Grand Cross. Are these ones back yet? They are. Hey, looks like Broker made some powerful new weapons with the ore that good in there. There's no wonder the Lummoxes didn't want us near it. After all that pointless work they did, I'd love it the Lummoxes would take a break, but no, they're worse workaholics than me. Gotta figure out already, huh? I knew you were good at picking up hints. Saves me from making unnecessary orders. Some Lummoxes are getting busy over at Mount Nightborg again. We're definitely looking for something there. And not only that, we've got sightings of another monster up there coming in. Head on over there and see what it is. Just got a brand new weapon, and here's the perfect opportunity to test it. You got some pretty powerful luck, kid. Well, let's see if it's actually more powerful. Nope. Not worth it then. To everybody who did a true understand this game, that including the book, ow, which is so much, it never ends. It never ends. I saw seeing the news up here. I'm just getting rid of them. You know, for the heck of it, when we get to the very end of the game, after I get all my stuff upgraded to this max level, or perfectly maxed, I'm gonna go ahead and sell off everything I have and see how much money that gives me. Because I won't need half the materials at that point. Oh, huh. I haven't played the boss interest from here. Neat. Alright, I should see if there's any new potions, because I don't remember if they said there were or not.
Welcome.
There is one new. Okay. I already have it. Okay. Yeah, it says 0, I always buy it just on the odd chance it's not in my menu already. Let's double check. I knew it.
Hello.
Anyway, let's go on to the next quest. Oh, time to find out what Don Demovi is. Oh, I just realized I'm still in full screen mode. It's fine. We're gonna get cussing here in a second anyway. Maybe. Oh, no. Okay. Don Demovi might also just be an item. Well, that was easy. Oh, it's over here. Bonk. Moving right along, Scooby-Doo. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Oh, Don DeMoby is a variant to these, I take it. Well, obviously. Is like a boss of them? Or just a variant version? We'll find out. Next time on Dragon Ball Z. Wait. That was a second Dragon Ball reference I made in one stream. Yep, it's a boss version. Well, boss is a strong word. It's obviously not a boss. Alright.
Yo.
Yeah, they're down there at the bottom. I just didn't see them the first time while I was in here this morning.
Hello.
Alright, time for a Leshy variant, huh? Everybody done respawning? Good. Okay. I remember back when those scorpions actually felt like they took quite a bit of damage to beat. More than one combo at least. Celestials are obviously the small monster versions of the boss monsters of the two poison lizards. Question though, is there a boss version of the slimes? We'll find out. I'd like to be able to move. Into the safe spot. That's what's normally a safe spot. If I move and it triggers a locked area, we'll see. Nope. Still safe. Lock? No? Okay. Down here is gonna lock, that's for sure. Hold it. Hey look, I finally got a card from one of them. It took me killing how many of those things before I finally got a single card? Oh, that's mildly annoying. I finally got one. I'm starting to get the cards like they're normal draws. Go figure, right? Good stretch. Ooh, I met half the monsters in the game. Oh, we are actually about halfway through the game already. This one really was designed for the Vita, because the original version of this was Vita exclusive, the original Ragnarok Odyssey. And of course, I'm playing Ace. Hottie. Which one is Hottie? Oh, I think that was the wolf. Yeah, I haven't fought it. We'll see. Yeah, it was the wolf. I like how I went through the wall right there at the end, right before the fade. No items? Sadness. Hi, Moi Moi. This honestly makes no sense. I kinda hate it. Unless that's like a mild hot spring, this makes no sense for there to be that much green in this cold of an area. Anyway. I speak as someone who lives in an area that's cold. I said it just by having my AC on. I have my AC on though because I'm in direct sunlight all day. I really should get some curtains. Yep, wolf. Well, that's on me. I didn't dodge properly. You stop hopping around. That's glad the game hasn't made me kill puppies again. I need to break that blade so he can stop Sonic the Hedgehog in me. There we go. No more Sonic the Hedgehog. Goodbye. I didn't say goodbye twice, so why did I say I did? Yeah, whatever.
Welcome.
Okay. I need 4 reflectors. I didn't get a single one from that guardian. Oh, well, I'll have to grind that out later.
Hello.
Next quest. Time to go fight Grindel again. Yeah, whatever. Let's go kill Grindel. Wrong button. Heal up. Ow. Ow. Okay, fuck you. He's almost naked. Ow. Jesus, that was a one-shot kill. That did more damage than I had health. I don't know how his helmet still hasn't broken. So much for that thought. I was wondering if standing directly under him would keep that from hitting. Damn it. Dang it. I was out of range. How'd that end up working out for you, buddy? I just wanted to stay back while he's doing that attack, because that's when he does the body slam. Dang, he hit me all the way over here. That body slam attack, I swear. I know Grendel has a lot of health, but I feel like that's been going on for a little longer than it should have. Got him. That fight was a little... I knew that fight was going to be tough, but that was a little more annoying than I expected it to be. I'm not gonna make it! And of course, the one time he didn't deal enough damage to kill me with the body slam, I hit a wall, which killed me. So, you know. Kid, you're back. Good. You mountain Nightborg to the rest of us. We got a big problem with Thor's volcano. You remember the huge altar in there? Once a big lump of magic, the Lumixes are trying to sink in the lava. The that thing gets, the more it roils up the lava. Let it go in, and boom, we'll have a full-scale rush on our hands. That's not a little volcano, you know. If it goes up, scalding hot ash will ride the winds across the centered land. Noon will be as pitch dark as midnight. That will make scouting around almost impossibly difficult for us. We can't let that happen. Lumixes are ready for us too. It seems they've brought an enormous firewolf with them. That might do a real number on Monty and Soul. Yeah, I caught them by surprise, but those two aren't soft targets. Targets. You be real careful with this flame wolf skull, Turtle, you hear? Can't afford to lose this battle. Favor our whole operation on the scales this time. Listen up, these are your orders. Objective area, Thor's volcano. Target, the flame wolf skull. Move out! Yeah! However, so you're finally back from Mountain Nightborg. Nipbjorg. Get your butt over Thor's volcano. That's an emergency. Cough. There's an underground altar to Thor down there. We tripped over some giants and start fighting. The Lumixes are trying to sink the altar into a magma pool. The thing's a big lump of magic, so throwing anything up. Sinking the whole thing and the volcano will erupt. Then we won't be able to do much in the Southernland anymore. Sorry, get the rest from the captain. Plus a River 3, so talking hurts. Brave. Now, there. I'm back to being fully stocked on Yggdrasil flowers. Excuse me, Yggdrasil flowers and then some.
Hello.
Alright, let's go. Oh, wait. Nope. Dang it. Backing out. Because it's gonna, since it's the last mission of the day, unless there's a sudden, giant attack at the fortress again, I'm going to, hire some mercenaries to help with the, boss. Help distract it a bit, you know?
Hello.
Okay, so one page is male, one page is female. Zero defense. Yeah. That makes me want to use you. Wow, the clerics are terrible. Now we do this. If I'm right, this thing will be about the same as fighting, Did I actually hire 2 females? Huh. That was not on purpose. Anyway. Yeah, it's just a fire variant of the same one. Ow. They really weren't kidding about you guys being useless, were they? Yeah, these mercenaries suck. Ooh. Can I see that crate? Can I make it? Yeah, I got it. Ooh, chapter cleared. My abilities have grown. Woo. New stock. New cards. New ace skills. Alright. God, so the Lummoxes are aiming causing Russian, eh? Odin and Zai, they come up with the plans as crazy as they are. But you know, if you ever flip the other way, it means they're getting desperate to stop us from finding whatever it is. Unfortunately for them, we just made all the hard work of theirs meaningless. Remember that weird statue you saw at Nightborg? Found where it came from. It seems there's a whole marble temple floating. Yes, floating in the sky above Mount Nightborg. I don't know what statue you're talking about, honestly. You mean white marble? Sounds familiar? Yep, just like Freya's upturned pinnacle. Which means this also belongs to some god. Well, the Lummoxes we saw up on the mountain are probably headed there, which means this place has something interesting in it. Alright, kid, why don't you get on up there, take a thrilling sky-high walk to the clouds. Angelings are strange creatures said to power have to connect disparate worlds. They only show themselves to the truly brave. Supposedly, their ancestors present-day Porings. However, no one has ever seen an Angeling, so we can't confirm that. According to County's records, they are from the land of the fairies, Alfheim, the land that fell from the sky during Ragnarok.
Hello.
Again, Rune's done again. A brand new line. She said this one's based around the concept of the Twilight of the Gods. Oh my gods, you won't believe it, but Linda has the cutest new outfits for sale. Oh, the temptation, the temptation. Oh geez, my brains know there's a line here I shouldn't cross, but my heart, oh, my heart wants to go right this instant. Fidget, fidget. That's right, I'm supposed to be working. Okay. That's getting all these conversations out of the way on stream. That way, if I choose to grind between tonight and tomorrow to get my outfit upgraded, I can. Or to get, finish that gathering for my maze, either way.
Welcome.
I'm after the music.
Welcome.
What's one I currently have do as a space? Alright, as for your recovery. Anyway. Oh, there's one more conversation. Yo, sorry about dumping all that on you before, but don't worry, I'm all healed up now. The ribs are as good as new. Selling are usually enough to take out a pack of giants, but the flame will show up and put a real crimp into things. Lady Beast went straight after Soul the whole time. I knew Lady's first to life, but that was just ridiculous. She wound up getting hurt pretty bad. I can usually keep her safe, but I couldn't that time. Oh, Steve, that felt pathetic. Not only that, I couldn't finish the stupid thing off, so you had to come in and clean up my mess for me. I'm real sorry about that. Are you?
Hey!
Nope, still don't have the new ones yet. I know it tells you when they get it, but I don't fully pay attention and sometimes forget if they said anything. Woo, more rewards! Angelings are mysterious creatures with the power of bridge universe. It said they only appear with those of true bravery. Serious, there and says, you're literally saying the same thing she said. Anyway. Alright. Let's go ahead and save. I'm getting tangled up on my headphone wire. Alright. Go ahead and stop the timer. And we'll go ahead and find someone to raid. Let's see who's live. See if anybody else is playing this game real quick. Chances are very low. And double check the base game, because some people don't add the ace on. Oh, that's Ragnarok Online, not Ragnarok Odyssey. Nope, okay. Guess we're rating someone we already know then. That's no fun. Actually, double check the other games real quick. This is taking forever to load. Now we'll go ahead and raid someone I know. Okay. Where's she at? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and raid Nelly. Raid message is gonna be Howling Raid. Because we just beat the frickin' wolf. Yeah. Thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll be back tomorrow with Chapter 6 of Ragnarok Odyssey. As you can tell, we're making progress. But in the meantime, though, I hope all you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.